Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cucumber with Java series. In today's video, we are diving into Java collections, specifically list, set, and map, which are super useful when you are dealing with test data and step definitions. We will be learning test data, what is a test data, and step definitions in upcoming videos. So let's start with the list. A list is an order order collection that can contain duplicate elements. This is useful when you want to maintain insertion order or allow duplicates. So we define list like this. We have to give the which wrapper class we are going to use in this list, and we define a variable for the list, and also we have to import uh, this class. Let's import this. No, it's not showing. Let's see what's wrong with this. Let's see what's wrong with this. Let's take help of the AI, and import might be missing. So we have missing imports. We'll just apply the imports now. We can see that the error is gone. Okay, now add some values to this list. Okay, so list dot add a fruit like apple. We add into the list, and we'll add one more banana. We can add one more. We can add duplicates also. Since the duplicates are allowed, can add duplicates. Duplicates are allowed in the list. So now let's print this list, and now let's run it and we'll see what will be the output. Yeah, now you can see here we have output apple, banana, and apple.
So in Cucumber, lists can be used to represent rows of data from a data table. Yeah, and now let's look at set. A set is a collection that does not allow duplicate elements. It is useful when you want to ensure all values are unique. Like let's create a set hash set. And let's add some values into this set. For example, let's add a car. Let's add a car and let's add one more. Let's add a bike and let's try to add one duplicate. Now let's try to print this set. Now let's run it. Yeah, here you can see we have only car and bike, but we have added a car two times, but we got only car and bike, only two else we got because our set does not allow duplicates. And you might use a set in test scenarios where you want to verify distinct entries like unique environment names, like a unique usernames, or like you want to enter any unique values, you can use set. Next up is map. A map stores data in key value pairs. This is perfect for storing structured data like login credentials or form inputs. Now let's create a map, and we have created a map, and now let's add key value pairs. Let's add a username. Let's use username as a key, and let's add value for it like Dinesh, and let's add on one more value. Password. Let's add password. Now let's print the map. Now let's run this. Yeah, now you can see we have got the output as password equals to password, username equals to Dinesh. If we want to get a print only username, let's print username, both username and password. So we'll be using map.get, and we'll be giving the key here. Username, if we give pass the key, we'll be able to see the values. Let's run it. Here you can see the nation password. So in Cucumber, maps are commonly used when you want to pass key value data from a data table. And now you know how to use lists, sets, and maps in Java, and essential tools for handling data in your Cucumber tests. In the next video, we will learn how to set up Maven project and add Selenium dependencies. Stay tuned.